Hey, I'm Steve Garner with Russ Darrow Kia Wauwatosa, and I am going to, well, as you know, Financial Awareness Day is on the 14th of August, and I'd like to give you some bullet points on financial awareness. And one of the things I like to talk about is practicing good money habits. Two, setting goals and taking steps to achieve them. You know, that gives you the practice of making sure you accomplish your goals. Three, gaining control of everyday finances or spending and what have you. Those are key things to watching what you spend, because you don't realize by the end of the month you can take a look at your finances and not realize how much you really spent if you're not paying attention and taking control of it. And four, having a good relationship with money and a positive mindset is key, and just making yourself aware and having total awareness of your spending habits is a key to having good financial awareness and keeping your credit in great standings. Again, Financial Awareness Day is August 14th. Enjoy.